Hey guys, food review. Yeah, today we got Burger King. Yeah, Burger King. And I saw this on the menu and I thought, looks good. Jalapeno cheddar bites. Yeah. Look like this, you know. Just cheese and jalapeno. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like at least. But yeah, looks good. So let's get into it. It's pretty cheesy. Let me try and take a bite out of one. It's pretty cheesy. It's a bit spicy, you know, but it's not like overwhelming, so it's a good amount of spice. There's a lot of cheese, yeah, but I mean, it is stuffed with cheese, and yeah, they come in 4 and 8 piece, and they're like $1 to $2, $3, real cheap. I think they're pretty good. They're decent, at least. There's just a lot of cheese, like a lot of cheese. So I think I'll give the Burger King jalapeno cheddar bites a 6 out of 10. See you guys in the next video.